Hey guys, this video will guide you how to repair airmatic air pipeline. So this car is the rear wheel airmatic suspension, and I will explain also what are the components required to repair this airmatic pipeline. I will explain step by step. So first of all, just you have to connect the computer and then actuate the airmatic compressor. When the compressor will increase the pressure in the airmatic suspension, you can apply here any soft solution liquid. Then you can see here the bubbles. It means this airline is leaking after this air wall block to air below. So what are the component needs for repair this airmatic suspension? This connecting piece and one small pipe that you have to add in this system, and also one small pieces is the connecting piece. So connecting piece, there are two types of plastic and metal. So I am using in this car it's a metal because durability is long. Yes, increase cost is also more than plastic, but better than plastic, that's why we are using. So now you can see the air bubbles inside this moisture, and also you have to cut the line where you find the end of this line, this air bubbles. So almost you have to just remove, and these are the components required to repair the line. So now you have to cut here because I can see here the end of this bubbles. So now how you will measure how much length you have required the pipe. So just put this pipe and also connecting piece and check what is the length of this pipe. It's easy to measurement. And now first of all fix this small pieces of this airline. And also if you want to reuse, you can reuse, because it's while removing this line is broken lock inside of this one. So after fixing, then you have to remove this white cap. So just put here and also connecting piece, and then check the measurement how much is the length, and little bit increase, then cut this line. And first of all fix inside this wall block, push inside with the pressure. And now you have to fix this connecting piece, that one connected to the both line. And now after fixing this connecting piece, push properly. Now it's a finish.